Hi everyone, this is Mrs. McGee, and I love math. It's okay if you don't love math. I love it enough for all of us, and I'm here to help you understand it better. Let's get started. Today we're going to graph an equation in point-slope form. Before we get started here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you get all the videos. All right, let's talk about point-slope form. So when we're looking at point-slope form, the equation is going to give us that information. It's going to give us a point, and that point is going to be x1, y1. And that's going to be in this equation x1, y1. Now what's important about this equation is that you need to pay attention to the subtraction symbols. Minus is also a negative, and so there is going to be minus signs in the equation. If there's not a minus sign, then that means the x1, y1 is a negative number. So let's look at this. Let me get started here, and let's look at what we have in the given equation. Y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. And then in the equation that we're going to graph, it's y minus 4 equals 2/3 times the quantity x plus 5. So let's take out the information. Let's take out the slope, and that is the m. m equals 2/3. That is our slope. We will go up 2 over 3. That is rise over run. Then we're going to look at the point that they give us. And they give us a point in this equation. That's the x1, y1. But remember, the minus sign should be there. So when we look at the x1, and this has changed to a positive 5, then we know that the x had to be a minus 5. When we put that minus 5 into the equation, minus a minus 5 is what turns it into the plus 5. So we know that our x1 point is a negative 5. Then we're going to look at the y1. x1, y1 is the point on the line, and the minus is there, so we know that that is a positive 4 for our x1, y1. Now when we're graphing, we always have to have a point on the line. So we're going to use the point that they've given us in the equation. The plane x and y is not the point. That's the x and y that stays in the equation. It represents all the points. We are specifically looking for x1, y1. So we're going to graph this point. -5, 4. That point is on the line. Now from that point, we're going to keep our pencil on that point, and we're going to count the slope. And we're going to go rise over run. We're going to go up 2, which is positive 2, and over 3, which is positive 3. Now we have our line. And so we're going to connect those points, and that's going to be our linear equation. That is how you graph in point-slope form. Thank you for watching the video. If this was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.